So welcome students, this is my last video of the chapter MySQL. In this part we will cover union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product and join. Now let us see what are the various operations which can be done on relations. Union and union all, intersection, minus, Cartesian product and join. Now we will discuss them one by one. Union and union all. Union means combination. So union is used to combine the results of two or more select statements. However, it will eliminate duplicate rows from its result set. In case of union, number of columns and data type must be same in both the tables on which union operation is being applied. If union all is used, then duplicate rows will also be displayed. Now to explain union and union all, I have created two tables and inserted some rows in it, which is shown on the left pane. You can also use same example. So first is create table student 10th A with columns roll number, name, marks. Similarly, create another table of student 10th B with the same fields and even data types. If fields or data types are not same, union will not work. Now I have inserted two rows in first table and three rows in second table. Now see this screen. So these are two rows from first table. These are three rows from second table. If I apply union, so union is applied like this: select asterisk from student 10th A union, select asterisk from student 10th B, then semicolon. Here semicolon will not come. So your output will be combination of all the rows of first table and second table. See, Aman, Akash, Dinesh, Divakar, Fardi. Now to explain union all, what I have done, I have inserted one more row in student 10th A, and that row contains same data of as of third row of student 10th B. Let us see next slide. See, difference between union and union all. Select asterisk from student A union, select asterisk from student 10th B. So see your output. These two are from first one and these three are from second one. Now after inserting one more row, one more record in student 10th A, see the result of union all. Select asterisk from student 10th A union all, select asterisk from student 10th B. So you can see Aman, Akash, Fardeen, Dinesh, Divakar, Fardeen. As I told you earlier, I have already inserted this third row in first table, and this third row is same as third row of second table. So in this case, in union all case, duplicate rows will get displayed. Now next topic is intersect. Intersection means common. It is used to combine two select statements. The intersect operation returns the common rows from both the select statements. The number of data type and columns must be same. It has no duplicates, and it arranges the data in ascending order by default. But the problem is MySQL does not support intersect. See, I have tried intersect, but it is showing an error. So you can only understand this theoretically, you cannot do it practically in MySQL. See this example, we have student and instructor table. Then this is intersection of these two tables, and this shaded part is showing common data. No. This means result is equal to student intersection instructor. Actually, this symbol is used in mathematics, not for you. See this example. Select first name, last name from student, intersect, select first name, last name from instructor. So your output should be this C part. FN, LN. See Suzanne and Ramesh. So Suzanne, Ramesh. Here also we have Suzanne and Ramesh. So the rows which are common will get displayed, not all the rows. And duplicate data is not displayed in intersection. So I think this is clear. Now we have minus operation. Minus operation also cannot be done in MySQL. So you have to understand it theoretically. For example, we have two tables A and B. A minus B means all the data of B which is in A will not be retrieved. Similarly, B minus A means all the data of A which is in B will not be retrieved. So it is a combination of the result of two select statements. Minus operator is used to display the rows which are present in the first query but absent in second query. It has no duplicates and data is arranged in ascending order by default. Now I have tried this minus here and it is showing an error. Now see this example. We have two relations R1 and R2, relations means tables. R1 contains F1, F2 and F3 fields. Fields are also known as columns. So it contains AA, F2 contains BC and it contains CD. Now this is another relation R2 having only one row F1, F2, F3, A, C and D. Now see operations on these two tables. First is R1 union R2. So union means combination of records of both the tables. So A, B, C is displayed. ACD and here also ACD is there. So these two are duplicates and as we saw earlier, union does not display duplicates. So we have only one row ACD. Now next is R1 intersect R2. Intersect means common. So there is only one row common in R1 and R2 and it is getting displayed ACD. Now R1 minus R2. What does it mean? The data which is in R2 will get subtracted from or removed from R1. See? Now R1 minus R2 contains only first row A, B, C. ACD is removed. So I think this is clear. Still you have any doubt, you can comment me. Now let us move to the next. Now we move to next topic, Cartesian product. To understand this, let us see this example first. I have created two tables already. Their data is shown in the left hand side. Now see one example. Select asterisk from student 10th A, comma student 10th B. Here we have used two tables and this query will select all the rows from these two tables, but not in union form. It will display combined data and combination will go like this. All the three rows of first table will get displayed by this first row of second table. So Aman, Dinesh, Akash, Dinesh, Fardeen, Dinesh. See, Aman, Dinesh, Akash, Dinesh, then Fardeen, Dinesh. Similarly, second row of second table will be combined with all these three rows. See, Aman, Akash, Fardeen, and Divakar, Divakar, Divakar. And same as with the third row. So see how many rows are there in this case. This is 3, and here we have 9 rows in this result set. 3 3s are 9. That is why it is called product or Cartesian product. And how many columns are there? Columns are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means columns get added up. Now next is Cartesian join or cross join. It returns the Cartesian product of the sets of records from two or more joined tables. This is not new thing. It is similar to one example we discussed earlier. Cartesian product can be displayed or used in these three forms. First we have already discussed, and next two are these. See the query. Select asterisk from student 10th A, cross join student 10th B. Instead of comma, we can write cross join. Output is same. Instead of cross join, you can also use Cartesian join. Again, result is same. Now, there are different types of SQL joins. Now, there is a doubt in the syllabus of MySQL whether we have to go into details of these joins or not. So I am waiting for the content of your book from CBSE. If we have details of SQL join, then we will discuss them later on. Right now there is only introduction of different types of SQL joins. So we have basically 4 types of joins. Inner join, it returns records that have matching values in both the tables. Left join, okay, before left join, see this diagram. Inner join, matching values are shown by this green shaded part. It means just like intersection. Second is left join. It returns all the records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. See this figure, the shaded part, the left table, and all the records which are in table 2 are also get displayed. Right join, it returns all the records from the right table and then match records from the left table. So right table means right hand side table 2 and all the records of table 2 which are also in table 1. Last we have full outer join. So it is quite simple. It returns all the records when there is a match in either left or right table. So with this we have finished the chapter MySQL. I request you to go through all these videos once again. If you have any doubt, write down those doubts on your paper and ask me by writing comments or in your WhatsApp group. So riddle of the day is, this time I'm not giving you a tip, this is a riddle. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in thousands years? Answer in comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. All the best.